Hello everyone, welcome to page Banti Mincherais. I am Sairong. This is the last video of lesson 33, which is about children and the playground. In this short video, we will learn 6 words together. So, let's get started. First, catch. Catch. Example, you can catch a ball. You can catch a ball. Second, trash can. Trash can. Example, you can put the trash into the trash can. You can put the trash into the trash can. Third, soccer. Soccer. Example, my friend like to play soccer. My friend like to play soccer. Fourth, bell. Bell. Example, when the teacher rings the bell, the student comes. When the teacher rings the bell, the student comes. Fifth, basketball. Basketball. Example, I don't like basketball. I don't like basketball. 6. Toys. Toys. Example, children like to play with toys. Children like to play with toys. Please review together with me. First, catch. Catch. Second, trash can. Trash can. Third, soccer. Soccer. Fourth, bell. Bell. Fifth, basketball. Basketball. 6. Toys. Toys. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. That is all for today. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.